Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Chapter 8, the Double Crochet. Now that you have learned the half double crochet in our previous lesson, let's learn how to make the double crochet. The double crochet, marked with the abbreviation DC, is a stitch that is bigger than the single crochet and the half double crochet. It is commonly used to create a variety of projects including blankets, scarves, sweaters, and more. Now that you have learned some basic knowledge on the double crochet, let's see how you can make it. Start by making a slip knot and chain 14. Skip 2 chains and follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Yarn over and insert your crochet hook into the third chain from your hook. Step 2. Yarn over again and pull a loop through the stitch, making sure that you have 3 loops on your hook, just like the half double crochet. Step 3. Yarn over again and instead of pulling it through 3 loops, pull it through only 2 loops. Step 4. Yarn over again and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And that is how you make the double crochet. To continue making double crochets, simply follow steps 1 to 4 again until you have no chains left. So we yarn over and insert our hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull a loop, making sure you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull it through 2 loops, and finally yarn over and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So just keep double crocheting and I will be back to show you what to do next. Once you are at the end of the row, you should have 12 stitches. Then turn your piece and chain 2 for a double crochet as well. To continue making double crochets, just do what you did before, making sure that you insert your hook into the double crochets from row 1. You can crochet as many rows as you like just for practice, but make sure you work double crochets into each stitch from previous rows. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider subscribing to my channel and please like this video at the end of this tutorial. If you are ready for chapter 9, click here now or the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and get creative.